Good morning from Lécherette over here in Switzerland. I'm trying to find a glitch in the matrix this morning. Last week's video from Grion basically was filmed yesterday, which was a Saturday, and it was absolutely hectic for crowds. So being a Sunday and having the Magic Pass, I thought I would try heading out to one of the smaller resorts. So Lécherette is about a 20-minute drive from where I'm based this week in Diablerets. It's a bit of a gamble because it's linked to Lécherette, which you can see on screen. That was the first of my resort reviews from this trip, and I didn't quite make it over here. I made it to the other side just behind me, which is Les Mosses or Les Moses, and that was really nice. So I thought today Lécherette might be a way of avoiding the crowds, and that goes into one of the great reasons of getting the Magic Pass. It just gives you that flexibility. But anyway, first proper day here in Lécherette. It seems a lot quieter than yesterday in Grion and Diablerets and Villars, so let's hope it continues this way, and let's go and get a look around. So out here in Lécherette, the only thing you're going to find to get you up the mountain are surface lifts. They're okay, none of them are too long because there isn't that much difference in altitude here. However, this one's pretty interesting because you get the choice basically between T-bar or button, which I guess, depending on your preference, if you have one, could make a difference to your comfort. So already just a couple of laps in, and I'm thinking this was an absolutely fantastic decision. Black runs like this, all to yourself, quality of the snow, absolutely fantastic. Whew, loving it. So far, so good for Lécherette. It's only 300 metres higher at the village than Grion was. I think it's 1400 metres here. Grion was 1100, but the snow is in so much better condition. I mean, you can probably tell we're in the shade. Over on the other side of the valley is where the sunshine is, so that is going to go some way to helping the quality of snow here, and that's one of the reasons Grion suffered last week, because it is a definite sun trap. However, the terrain here is really fun. I actually can't see any negatives right now to skiing in Lécherette. If you want to, you've got access via lifts and via bus to the larger Lécherette, but this place today, nice and quiet and really enjoyable so far. Let's keep looking around. So what I'm finding pretty much everywhere here in Lécherette is a beautiful piste, and it seems like it's perfect for families, or at least groups of mixed abilities. Within a couple of runs of each other, there was a beautiful blue, a gorgeous red and a really nice black that led down to the village. This just has to be one of those places that if you get a Magic Pass, you've got to spend a day here. Okay, so that is it from Lécherette today. It has been absolutely beautiful. A really nice decision to get away from the busier ski resorts here on the weekend. I think my personal opinion is I love this place. I know some people will say that 40 kilometers is quite a small ski area. However, when you consider that you've got Lécherette and Les Mousses, which are linked to this ski area, that makes it quite sizable. The piece and everything in the local area are really fun. They're nice and varied. So I would definitely recommend, if you are a Magic Pass holder, taking at least a day or two here in Lécherette. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed the video. I really appreciate you guys watching. If you've got any questions, make sure to drop them down below. If this is the first of my Magic Pass videos that you have found, I've been doing a tour. You can check the playlist, which will be linked down in the description, and make sure to subscribe if you do not want to miss any other videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next week with another one.